Hello, my name is Michael. I'm from the Forex affiliate channel, and today I will review XM's affiliate program. I will review their lot rebate program, their CPA program. I will teach you how to create and track your campaign, how to create links for different landing pages, and how to make reports to see what pages of your website perform the best. So let's get started. So to visit XM's affiliate program, you can use either the link down below in the description of the video, or you can type in your browser mypartners.xm.com. Now you should be on a landing page that looks similar to this one. And if you don't have an account yet, you can sign up right now. The process is pretty straightforward, so I will show you how it looks like when you already have an account and when you log in to their affiliate program. So I will log in, and now this is the main page that you will see whenever you log into your XM's affiliate account. You have here your campaigns, you have here quick links, the most recent traders and statistics from this month and from the last month. As I mentioned before, I want to talk about their lot rebate system and about their CPA system. Basically, a lot rebate system rewards you for every lot that your traders that you brought to the company trade. So the more they trade, the more you earn. The CPA program is a bit different, and if you go to terms and conditions here and scroll down on the page 20, you can see that the CPA program applies if you bring traders from specific countries. You have here all the countries that for which the CPA program applies to. So you have here Australia, Bulgaria, the Czech Republic, Hungary, Iceland, and other countries. It's about list of about 15 to 20 countries, and for every country the CPA is a bit different. Usually for first three countries such as the UK or Australia, the CPA is the biggest. To get this CPA, your trader needs to fulfill the conditions that XM has, and you can see the conditions right here. The individual has traded, and you have here at least 5 standard front loads or other combinations depending on what account the traders you brought have created. So if they created ultra low standard account, they have to trade a different amount of lots in order to qualify for the CPA. Once they do, you receive this commission into your affiliate program and you can pay it out to your bank account or other means. Now we will go back and I will show you how to create campaigns. That's pretty easy. Click on campaign and you go to trader campaign. Here you can add a new one, just type in your name of your campaign and you click on add. And when you go to links and affiliate links, you can choose here the campaign which you want to use. And then when you will create reports, you will see that traders from a certain campaign brought you this amount of commissions. You have here quick links to homepage, to opening a real account, etc., etc. You can just copy the code and paste it to your website or other source you want to use to promote the website. If you go to reports, you have here all sorts of categories that you can use. You have here CPA statistics, lot rebate statistics, trader list, demo trader list, etc. If you, for instance, go to trader list, you will be able to see all the traders that have registered with you. I will choose to report this month and I will hit on run report. And now I see all the registrations that I have brought to xms.com. You can click on signed update and you will see the most newest registrations that your traders have created, or you can click on country, so you will see all the registrations from countries selected one by one. And that's it. That's for the exams affiliate program. If you have any questions about the program, feel free to ask me anything in the comments below. If you like this video, please consider liking it on the YouTube platform and subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.